Here is how not to create an RMA tag. So I have a number of videos in regards to how to create an RMA from a service ticket, a sales order, or a project. Here is the one way I do not recommend you create RMAs. If you go to procurement and the RMA processing screen, you're going to see the RMA list. And here you can see all the open RMAs that you have. In this case, there's no open RMAs. You can hit the plus sign and start to create an RMA from scratch here on this screen. In this case, you would have to put in the project name or the ticket number. You'd have to find the product ID within your database. You need to enter the description, the unit price, all the various pieces of information, as well as enter the company that you are returning on behalf of. This is not recommended because there's so much that you have to fill in manually. The summary, product ID, description, unit price, and company information. If you use one of my other videos to enter your RMAs, you do not need to fill out any of the fields which I just mentioned. The system will do that for you. In addition, the RMA will be linked to the original job, and it will make everything much cleaner. So while yes, you can create an RMA from the RMA list, I do not recommend it. Instead, check out one of my other videos to create from a service ticket, a sales order, or a project.